Every 2 years, athletes from around the globe travel to Austria to compete in the world's toughest outdoor adventure race, Red Bull X Alps. Red Bull X Alps 2025 was nearly 2 weeks of hiking, paragliding, and climbing across the Alps through 5 different countries. Starting in Kitzbühel, Austria, the athletes faced many challenges to make it to the finish line. They braved long days, sometimes covering 150 kilometers a day, passing set turn points positioned across iconic mountains and famous resorts. They also faced inclement weather like rain, wind, and thunderstorms, which forced competitors to run or hike instead of fly. And finally, they faced timed eliminations. From day 4 and every 48 hours thereafter, the athlete in last place was eliminated. With the scope of the race and ruggedness of the terrain, traditional broadcasting crews filming the athletes on their journey is not feasible. That's where Esri comes in. Esri partnered with Red Bull X Alps to provide the GIS technology that powered their 3D live tracking app. Using ArcGIS Maps SDK for JavaScript, Esri transformed the athlete's GPS data into immersive 3D scenes inside the 3D live tracking app. Fans from all over could track the athletes at any point in the race, day or night, anywhere along the Alps, all the way to the finish. The 3D live tracking app experience also included the option to toggle between map views to change perspective, creating an immersive experience that puts spectators right in the paragliding harness with the mountains below their feet. In the end, only 21 of the 33 athletes crossed the finish line in Zell Austria in a show of extraordinary resilience. The top place athletes finished early on day 8. First place went to Durogati from Italy. Second place went to Lars Meerstetter from Switzerland. And third place went to Simon Oberrauner from Austria. And the best part, fans got a front row seat to all the action, thanks to 3D GIS.